Neither Klover nor Brigit guarantees approval based on bad credit, because both apps evaluate eligibility using their own account review process instead of promising approval for every applicant. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Klover and Brigit review advance requests, what affects eligibility, and how to improve your chances of getting approved. If you're choosing between Klover and Brigit because you're worried about your credit history, the first thing to know is that neither app promises approval simply because you have bad credit. Instead, both services evaluate the information connected to your account before deciding whether an advance is available. With Klover, you'll need to create an account, connect a supported bank account, and complete any requested identity verification. Once your account is set up, the app reviews your eligibility and shows whether you're currently able to request an advance. If additional verification or account information is required, you'll need to complete those steps before moving forward. Brigit follows a similar process. After linking your bank account and finishing account setup, Brigit evaluates your account based on its own eligibility requirements. If you qualify, the app will display the advance options available to you. If you don't qualify immediately, the app may ask for additional information, or simply indicate that you're not currently eligible. Instead of asking which app approves bad credit more often, compare how each app evaluates your own account. Install both apps if you're interested, complete the required setup, and review the eligibility results shown inside each one. Because the review process is individualized, one app may approve your account while the other may not. To improve your chances, make sure your linked bank account is active, your personal information is accurate, and any identity verification requests are completed promptly. Incomplete account information is one of the most common reasons an application remains pending or unavailable. It's also worth updating both apps before submitting a request. Running the latest version helps prevent account syncing problems and ensures you're seeing the most current eligibility information. If your application stays pending, or you believe your account was reviewed incorrectly, contact the app's support team for clarification rather than submitting repeated requests. To recap, neither Klover nor Brigit guarantees approval for users with bad credit. Both review your individual account, verify your information, and determine eligibility using their own criteria. Completing your account setup and keeping your banking information accurate gives you the best chance of receiving an advance if you qualify. If this comparison helped you understand the differences between Klover and Brigit, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tutorials.